Hi, my name is Hans Bruegelmans from Apex. I'm the commercial director and I'm very excited to talk to you about our new installation amplifiers called Cloud Power. They come in 4 different models. We have 4x 350 watt, 4x 700 watt, and then we have the 2 heavier models, 4x 1500 and 4x 3000 watts. Now, what is nice about Cloud Power? First of all, the sound. The sound is amazing. We have worked with our proprietary glide pad technology. But also the user friendliness. We really created a product for the installer. One of the key things is that you have a built-in access point, so you can really easily connect to the web interface with your smartphone, your laptop or your iPad. Apart from the local connection and the local control, there is also, of course, the cloud controllability, which makes it the perfect installation product, especially when you have projects which are much further away and you do not want to drive up to the site every time that there is a question from the end user. So you can just take over the amplifier remotely. Another thing that is really interesting is that we have built in an internal music source. So it's possible to directly stream from your iPad or your smartphone to the unit through Spotify or AirPlay. And finally, we need to point out that the software of Cloud Power is really user-friendly. If you want to learn more about the Apex amplifiers, please go to apexaudio.be or visit us at the Apex booth in Hall 7.